The following film will cost you 150 seconds of your life. But at Worth, we promise you, we'll make it worth your while. With this. It answers to the name of Orsi. Well, with that we don't mean that it can actually answer anyone yet, but it's true that this rack is far more than just storage space for small parts and assembly materials, and that's why the original is still so popular. We have put up more than 500,000 Orsi system racks at workshops all over the world. No two Orsi racks look the same. We will custom build your Orsi rack for you, depending on what materials and how much material you need. Wait, did I just say rack? Well, it used to be a rack 40 years ago. Today, the Orsi rack is a do-it-all modular system. We've developed Orsi into a logistics system that we are very proud of at Worth. With Orsi, inventory management is no longer a chore, but a time and cost saver. How? With the easy-to-use scanner for faster material orders, with connecting and award-winning system cases for when you're at the job site. Naturally, these cases also fit into our Worth vehicle equipment or our Baulock construction site containers. These are just some of the components of our perfectly designed Orsi system world. Thanks to our simple online tool for the management of hazardous materials, you can retrieve all safety data sheets at the click of a button. More time saved. And to make sure your workshop never stands still just because one small part is missing, our reliable Worth staff will make sure that your Orsi rack never runs out of stock. You can also retrieve all the materials you need from your very own Orsi mat vending solution that is accessible 24/7. It's your choice. Our Orsi system has helped revolutionize inventory management at thousands of businesses, and we are not standing still, but continuously improving our services so we can help you save effort, time and costs, not only today, but also in the future. So if these 150 seconds haven't been worth it, what would have been? We're Orsi. You too?